Okay, what do you guys want to say to Auntie Leah? You have a tea party? And Auntie Leah and Jason and baby Amelia gave it to Ellie for her birthday. So we say thank you for that because you guys love it. Titi Auntie Leah? Say thank you. We love you. You like this tea party on your special tea party blanket? You do?
No more tea.
No more tea? Are you going to make some more?